This is an HDMI cable with standard HDMI connectors at both ends. This is one end you are seeing now and the other end. That's also HDMI connector. There could be cables with HDMI connector on one end and a different connector on the other end. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It is the global standard for transmitting uncompressed digital video and multi-channel audio through a single cable. Since its debut in 2002, it has replaced older analog standards like VGA and component video. Component video is an analog video signal that has been split into two or more component channels. HDMI uses TMDS, meaning Transition Minimized Differential Signaling, to protect data from interference over long distances. It also uses High Bandwidth Digital Content Protection (HDCP), a digital handshake that prevents unauthorized devices from intercepting or copying the content. There are different types of HDMI connectors. While they all carry the same type of signal, the physical shape varies depending on the device. The standard Type A connector, which was shown initially, is meant for TVs, gaming consoles, monitors and laptops. Then there is Type C, which is mini HDMI for DSLR cameras, camcorders and larger tablets. Type D or micro HDMI is for action cameras, smartphones and ultra thin laptops. I have seen that on Raspberry Pi 5 also. I will show that cable later. Type E is automotive for built-in car entertainment systems and has a locking tab. This is a micro HDMI to HDMI cable which I use to connect Raspberry Pi 5 to standard HDMI monitor. That end is micro HDMI and this end is standard HDMI. There is a cap there which has to be removed. Remove the protective caps and this is the HDMI end. This is the micro HDMI end. Now it has been connected to the